Hey everyone, it's Ian from Optimize. In this video, we're going to be creating the LinkedIn Insight tag and placing it in our Google Tag Manager that is hosted on our website. This is going to be done in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So we are inside of our LinkedIn Campaign Manager and we are in the Advertise panel. The way you access your LinkedIn Insight tag is by going into Analyze on the left-hand panel, selecting Insight tag, and then for this video, we are going to be installing this using Google Tag Manager, and personally, I would recommend this in almost all cases. So we are going to select Google Tag Manager, and it is very simple. All you have to do is copy this partner ID, and then we are going to go into our Google Tag Manager. Now remember, we set this up in a previous video, so if you have any questions on how to create a Google Tag Manager, just watch the very first video in this playlist on YouTube. And what you're going to do once you're in your Google Tag Manager is simply go to Tags, select New. You're going to go and label this LinkedIn Insight tag. And I'm just going to say test because I already have a LinkedIn Insight tag on my website, but I want to show you how this works. And you're going to come up here and you're going to type in LinkedIn. And as you'll see, the LinkedIn Insight pops up. You're going to place, Command V that Insight tag ID that we just grabbed from here. Place that in here. Triggering, we're going to select all pages because we want to track all of our pages and be able to retarget them in the future. We're going to click Save. And then just like that, all you would need to do is click Submit on your Google Tag Manager, say LinkedIn Insight tag installed, and then you would click Publish. Now again, I'm not going to be doing this because this is a test account and this is my actual Google Tag Manager, so I'm not going to be actually publishing that, but this is a test account. So once you do that, then all you would need to do is verify your installation. There'd usually be a button that pops up once you do this, and you'll be able to verify that it is installed. And you can also quickly verify by simply going to your website and using a Chrome extension like Wapalizer to check and see if it is firing, which after you publish your Google Tag Manager, you should see the LinkedIn Insight tag installed there. So please let me know if you have any questions. And if you do, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.